when OpenAI prepared to drop its highly anticipated GPT 5.6 Soul model. The tech world expected an overnight rollout. Instead, the servers went completely dark. For 30 days, the public was locked out while the model sat inside a closed loop under a strict U.S. government national security review. This wasn't a standard delay to fix software bugs. This was a mandatory state-level freeze. The reality is that frontier intelligence is no longer being treated as commercial software. It is being treated like a digital nuclear asset. Welcome back to Cyphrs. Today we look behind the curtain at the quiet global lockdown that just changed the internet forever. While Washington was holding OpenAI's keys, a massive counterintelligence flashpoint ignited on the other side of the world. On July 8th, China's National Vulnerability Database issued an urgent, unprecedented warning to state enterprises. The target, Anthropic's newly released developer tool, Claude Code. According to the official security alert, versions February 1st, 91 through February 1st, 96 contain hidden, obfuscated monitoring mechanisms. Without user consent, the software was caught quietly, packaging geographic coordinates and identity-related network identifiers, transmitting them directly to remote servers overseas. Alibaba instantly issued an absolute internal ban on the software. The message was clear: in a world where AI writes your infrastructure code, a developer tool isn't just an assistant, it's a perfect, invisible listening post embedded directly into your core network traffic. But Beijing isn't just playing defense. They are pulling the plug on their own ecosystem to prevent intelligence leaks. If you log into ByteDance's Duba platform or Alibaba's Quen ecosystem right now, you will find a terminal warning notice. All user-created AI agents will be permanently terminated on July 15th. Unpredictable AI systems running with zero oversight are a massive regulatory liability. Why destroy a thriving consumer ecosystem? Because open weight models have become a major national security loophole. When foreign entities can freely download open source weights, customize them, and run them locally, control becomes entirely impossible. China's Ministry of Commerce is rewriting the rules. Advanced AI tools are now officially classified as national assets, and exporting or leaking proprietary model configurations is now prosecuted under national security laws. This total lockdown forces a desperate question. How does China sustain this level of localized AI power without relying on Western hardware? The answer lies in a secret hardware pivot. DeepSeek, the lab that shocked Silicon Valley with its hyper-efficient architecture, has quietly kicked off a massive $7 billion outside funding round. The capital isn't going toward building larger models. It's going directly into designing their own bespoke inference silicon to cut ties with both NVIDIA and domestic hardware monopolies. And the strategy is already yielding terrifyingly fast results. A research team out of Zhejiang University just deployed MoWorld. It is the world's first real-time interactive world model running entirely on domestic Huawei Ascend 910C hardware, while Western world models have been stuck as beautiful, non-interactive video demos running at single-digit frame rates. MoWorld clocks in at over 50 frames per second, with a massive 70% reduction in inference costs compared to traditional GPU architectures. They are calling it the DeepSeek moment for physical AI. If you can control a full 6 degrees of freedom interactive environment at zero cost on insulated domestic hardware, you don't need NVIDIA anymore to train autonomous drones, advanced robotics, or simulated battlefields. Look closely at the board. The US is enforcing 30-day security vetting delays on OpenAI and legally blocking foreign nationals from accessing advanced cyber security models like Anthropic's Mythos. China is outlawing user-created agent ecosystems and treating model leaks as state security threats. The era of the open, global, borderless internet is officially dead. Frontier artificial intelligence is no longer viewed as a helpful consumer product or an exciting startup playground. It is the defining geopolitical weapon of our generation, and both sides have just locked down their borders. Let me know your thoughts on this. Global Digital Enclosure in the comments below. Thanks for watching Cyphrs, and I'll see you in the next investigation.